is me.
Okay guys, so let's do some makeup with me. So right now we have our calamine lotion. And if anybody know about calamine lotion, you know you used to use that back in the day when you had itchy skin, whatnot. But I noticed that this is a trend around the makeup world, so I decided to do it. And I have been doing it for a minute now, but this is the first video that I ever did with the calamine lotion. So pretty much I am putting this all around my face. And what I do like about the calamine lotion is that when you put it on, it's just kind of like a shield that protects the skin under the makeup. Because I noticed with me wearing makeup that I have been getting more acne, which is not cool for me. So I kind of like the calamine lotion because again it gives it that protection, that protection barrier when you put your makeup on top, and it kind of protects the skin a little bit. And when you put it on, it just, you know, it gives you that protection. But anyway guys, so right now I am using this I believe it's called All Around the World eyeshadow package, and it came with I don't even know how many eyeshadow packages, but it came with a lot. So I'm using most of the colors in this eyeshadow packet, but I'll have everything down in the description bar if you guys ever want to purchase this palette. But yeah, I'm using this little orange color, and we're going to come in with I think 3 different colors. But guys, I don't want to do too much talking on this video, so yeah, let's get through the eyes. Okay guys, so right now I am doing my cut crease. A lot of people don't like to do cut crease because they say it's too hard. And I notice now in the makeup world, people is just cutting their crease using Vaseline. Me personally, I don't like it, but I'll just keep cutting my, you know, my crease with white and be done with it. But if you want like a clean look, then yes, you use the Vaseline to clean everything up. But I ain't got time for that. Okay guys, so to put the color in the crease, I am using the Juvia's Place palette color in their palette. I forgot the name of the palette, but I'll put it down in the description bar if you guys want to purchase this. So I'm putting that silver out in the corner of my eyes, and then I'll come back in with like the orange, and then the orange in the middle, and then I'll put like the purple towards the end of the eye. Okay guys, so for that foundation, I am using the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation. Again, I'll put the color down in the description bar. I've been using Juvia's Place foundation for the longest, or either Fenty. I love both. So right now we're using Juvia's Place. So people does say by using calamine lotion on your face, it makes your foundation look smoother. I can agree to a certain extent. I feel like if you have a smooth canvas to paint on, it's going to be smooth regardless. So I don't care how much calamine lotion you put on your face. If your face is bumpy, then your foundation will be bumpy. So don't believe the hype, guys. So yeah, so we're just putting all our foundation on, you know, rubbing that in. Right now I'm just fixing my eyebrows. But yeah, you guys, stay tuned. Alright, so for highlight, I am using Juvia's Place. I believe the number 10. I'm not sure, but I'll put it down in the description bar. So I pretty much highlight underneath the eyes, the nose, the top of the forehead, between the lips, and the chin. So right now, I'm going to just blend this all in. Okay guys, so now that I have my highlight blended all in, we're gonna go in with this powder to set the highlight. And this powder is from, again, Juvia's Place, and I'll put everything down in the description bar. So I just put my powder everywhere that I put my highlight to just set that highlight. Okay guys, so for my contouring stick, I am using the Rihanna's Fenty Beauty contour stick, and again I'll put the color down in the description bar. And yeah guys, I'm gonna just take that and contour my forehead, my nose, my cheeks, and like my jawbone area. And I'm gonna just pretty much blend that all in. And to clean it up, I am going to come back in with some setting powder and clean it up to make it look neat, fresh, with lines. So just make it look neat. Okay guys, so to wipe away my powder, I am using this Fenty Beauty pro filler. Is it foundation? No, is I think it's powder too. It's like foundation powder. Don't quote me on that. I'll put it down in the description bar. So I'm using that to pretty much blend everything in. And yeah guys, that's it. Okay guys, so for my blush, I am going to use this Beauty Glade palette that I had for a long time that is cheap. That was one of my first makeup companies that I use, and I am putting this all over my cheekbone just to, you know, get a little lightness to me. But yeah. Okay guys, so right now I am taking my white eyeliner pencil and I'm putting white underneath my tear ducts or under my eye ducts, whatever they call it guys. I ain't no makeup artist over here. I'm self-taught here, so I can't come up with all the terminologies that they say. But yeah, we just putting them white underneath the eye. So I'm going back in with my brush to put a little of, I believe, the purple in the underneath the eyes also, to kind of give it that smoky look. So that's what I'm doing. Alright y'all, so for highlight I'm using this Glowcaine from the Crown Case. So it's like a silver type highlight. It's very pretty. So I'm gonna put that down my nose, on the top of my lip, and also of course my cheekbones, to highlight, to give me that little sparkle. But yeah guys. Okay y'all, so for lips I am doing this little dark purple lips. And guys, this lipstick, I believe I bought it from like my local beauty store, so it's nothing fancy. You can just find this in your local beauty store. So I'm putting, so this is like a matte lipstick where it dries down on the lip. So I'm putting that on my lips, and I am going to go in with like a gloss over it, because sometimes them little matte lipsticks, they be so dry, be having your lips feeling like, you know, like you about to cut something. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with a gloss, and I believe the gloss was the Rihanna's gloss. But yeah, so I'll put it, of course I'll put everything down in the description box guys, if y'all want to know everything that I use. right now, guys, I'm just taking a little highlight and putting it underneath my eyebrows and, of course, in my tear ducts. And once I do that, guys, I am pretty much done. So what I'm going to do in a minute, I'm going to smack that camera. Bam. Then I'm going to come back. Look at that. Super cute. So definitely, guys, let me know what you thought of this look, and definitely subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you guys in my next video.